Hello guys, welcome to another boxing episode, and today we'll be unboxing Simpsons Crocs Gibets. I got two of the Simpsons Crocs Gibets, and the first one is the main cast. It's Homer, Bart, Lisa, Maggie, and Marge. And then the second one contains, let's flip it over, Homer recreating this meme, Ned Flanders, Milhouse, and don't forget Mr. Burns, and another Marge. She's twerking, by the way. You can see it. But anyways, let's unbox them. I can't get that to open. Hold on. Alright, there they are. Homer, Marge, Lisa, Barton, and Maggie. And don't forget the other one. Here they are. Whoa, this gibbet is made out of like carpet, and well, it has a soft material. And don't forget, whoa, look how shiny this Mr. Burns gibbet. Whoa, how cool. But anyways, here are my new Crocs. They're a light gray color, and these are my old Crocs over there, and this is my unboxing video. Bye!